Now going to question 25, here we see the bullet points, so we know that this is another rhetorical synthesis question. And for these, once again, you want to first find out what you should be looking for in the description. If multiple answer choices fit that description, use the bullet points to differentiate between those answers. So let's find out what we're looking for here. The student wants to contrast the emissivity of reflective metal fibers with that of silicon carbide fibers. So this is something that's very scientifically complicated, but we can definitely feel out where is there a contrast in the emissivity, whatever that is. So let's start. A says, the ability of reflective metal fibers and silicon carbide fibers to emit heat was determined by an analysis of each material's emissivity. So this is telling us what happened, that there was an analysis that was done, but it's not contrasting the emissivity. Now looking at B. The amount of heat a material absorbs is equal to the amount it emits, as evidenced in the analysis. So here, no contrast between the two materials. C, though the reflective metal fibers and silicon carbide fibers had different rates of emissivity, this person planned to use both in a garment. So this kind of mentions the contrast. They had different rates, but it underemphasizes it because it's saying, though they had these differences, the person was going to use them both. So even though there was a difference mentioned, there was still an emphasis on the similarity, how they were both going to be used in the same way. So we can get rid of that one. And now looking at D, whereas the reflective metal fibers had an emissivity of just 0.02, the silicon carbide fibers absorbed large amounts of heat, resulting in an emissivity of 0.74. So there we're getting a big difference in the emissivity, and we're getting the numbers, which backs it up. And the emphasis is on the difference, not on the similarity. So we're going to go ahead and pick D here.